Okay, welcome to another video. You might notice something a bit different with the setup. Yes, because I'm currently, the quality might be improved a lot because I'm using my phone basically. Um, for some reason, my GoPro doesn't work anymore. Yeah, after recording the previous unboxing, I put it on the charger, then, full charge, and I just leave it and overnight, not really overnight, but for a couple hours, then unplugged it. Then in the morning, I've noticed that it won't turn on. So I'm not sure what the issue is, but it's not very important at the moment. So I'll just use my phone for the time being. So and I pay actually $40 for this. So I wouldn't recommend. I don't know what the issue is, but I've tried methods already. But let's go back to the video. Okay, in this video basically we are going to unbox another laptop. Basically, um I won a bid on this laptop as well. I got it for about $74. Basically in total it's about $66 plus the ship it is about $13. So that's the price basically. So what we're going to do now, we're going to unbox it in its glory. I don't know why they put it in such a big box, but excellent package in so far in terms of the overall box. So let's crack it open and then we see what is what. And I should mention the specification. The specification is you're looking at it's a Lenovo IdeaPad 120S 14 IAP. So and it has 2 gigs of RAM, 2 gigs of RAM, and a 32 gig storage, which is so low. And I'll tell you why, and I'll see my initial thoughts at the end of the video. So I'll tell you if this is a win to purchase or it's a not. So let's crack it open. Okay, I might be holding it the wrong. Let's get rid of that. Seems like I'm holding it the wrong direction. Apparently, yes, I am. No editing allowed. So I'll just go right through it just as how it is. So hopefully we are still in shot. The iPhone view is not very as wide as I like it, but I do have a wide camera right in front of me, so hopefully we're good. So I'll switch back and forth if I need to on the video. So alright, so let's put it back in the view and we're okay. So we're going to open it now. Okay, moment of truth. Let me remove this. So far, oh, more tape. Okay, and we're all good. So let's see. Okay, so far not bad. Very nice packaging, very nice. Okay, this might have my information on it. I don't think I can show it. Okay, yes, it will. And it's basically rocking an Intel Celeron 3305U. So I would say it's for educational purpose. Let's call it that. So okay, all right. So get that over here. So let's go deeper. Let's dig right through all of this. Right through all of this. Wow. Get out of here. Wow, this packaging is definitely worth it. I'm definitely giving this reviewer, this seller, 5 stars. Definitely. Just for the packaging only. Not the product, just the packaging. Yet. Not the product yet. So we're going to move this box. And hopefully I don't shake anything. So we are still in shot. So I'll make sure that we are still recording. Okay. Hopefully I didn't make a lot of noise. Okay, let's go back to it now. So we're going to just remove this package. So let's turn it over. And that's it. Okay. When I was bidding on this, it wasn't really a strong bid because I wasn't let's just say that I came across it and just said, let me just try to see if I can get it just to do an unboxing and those stuff. And apparently I did win it, so that's a good. So alright, so let me, wow, this is such an amazing packaging, man. Such an amazing packaging. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh wow. Let me get, oh, hopefully I didn't shake the camera too much. Let me get this out of here. Okay. And we are good. So far, the condition from the top lid, it's not too bad, but you can tell based on it was had a few light wear, and you can see a few ding at the corner here. I don't know if you can see it, but yes. So alright, so I'll just go through the ports and show you an overview, and then we just open it up. So okay, so far obviously we have an AC power jack, sorry, and we have a USB 3.0 port, and we have an HDMI, and I'm surprised that this has a type C. I'm guessing because this was released recently, you know. And we have a power indicator light. Okay, all right, so let's see. It seems very robust, I'm not going to lie. It seems very robust. It has an heft to it. That's a good thing. So we have another USB 3.0 port, and we have a headphone and microphone jack combo. So that's good. We have we have an SD card, a micro SD card, I should say. Okay, that's good. And I'm guessing this light is for when it's in sleep. Interesting. We'll have to come back to it, and I'll put an annotation, or indicating what it is. So okay, so hopefully I don't have any important thing right here, and basically that's it. So just as it is out of the box, it seems like it's been opened before. I don't know if you can see these screws. Based on the screw threading, it seems like it's been opened, or I might be wrong. So alright, so let's open it and turn it on. Alright, so let's open it. Okay. Oh wow. The top lid is not as good, but the inside, wow. And this is where you would generally get most wear because your hands and so on, but it's generally closed. So the top lid would get the beating, but in terms of keyboard wear, it's quite good, yeah. It's quite excellent. It has a few marks and so on. And yeah, so far it's good. Okay, and let's turn it on. Device doesn't have much in terms of cleaning. They did their best in a little, but I think it would have been good to be cleaned a lot more better. But I'm guessing the overall condition and the overall cleaning, it seems like it does it so far. Hopefully this has battery life. Hopefully. So we're going to power it on. Let's see if we got anything. And we got nothing. Okay. So I'm guessing it needs to be charged. So I'm going to plug in the charger and I'll be back in a second. And we are back. So I did, on basically winning this bid, I did have to go ahead and bought a charger. As you've noticed, no charger were in the box. So I purchased a universal charger. It's not really a new one, so it's a lot cheaper. But it does the job the same, you know. Hopefully it does charge the battery. And I've known in the past that certain laptops, certain manufacturers would generally recommend the original power adapter, but yet it won't charge with a universal one. And I don't know why, but apparently it's certain thing that they've built into the computer, certain safety measures, I should say. So let's plug it in right now and see what happens. Okay. And I'm not sure if we have a light. Okay, let's check. Okay, it is a bit blinking. See the light blinking, so I'm going to try to turn it on and see what happens. Okay. Okay, I'm not seeing anything. So, uncertain. Okay. So, give me a quick minute. Let me see what the problem might be. Then I'll come back to the video. Okay. Okay. What I do notice is that, all right. So let me show what's currently happening. Okay. So let me flip it around. You might be able to see that if I zoom in. I'm not sure if I can get this in the shot, but you'll probably notice a blinking light. You'll notice the light is blinking. I don't know if you can see that, but occasionally it will blink, and when you power it on, it's not turning on. So it's a possibility that either the charger is bad, or which I'm going to try right now. I'm going to try a different charger, or low in terms of power. So I'm not sure. So let me check that within a minute. So I'll be back. Give me a minute. Okay, after a few minutes later, I've realized that the adapters I do have don't work with this laptop, which is unfortunate. And it seems like something is wrong with this charger, because I've plugged it in different outlets and it's doing the same thing. It's causing the light on the laptop to blink. So I can't say this is a done deal for the laptop as yet. Most likely is the power jack, so I can't really say entirely until I get a charger though. But what we can do is I can test the charger with my multimeter. I don't know, probably you can see it. Let me get this in the shot. Okay. Okay, so we're going to basically test it. So we should get 20 volts basically, or 19 so and so, you know. But in general we should have a constant. Let me turn it on first. Let me put it to DC, and that's it there. But I hope you can see it from the video. Let me see. My apologies for that. Interesting. Oh, okay. Okay, it seems like I have to use a pin of some sort to get the connection between there. So, okay. Oh boy. So, okay, there you go. Hopefully you can see. Let me take this from. Let me put this on here. Hopefully you can see it's not very constant. You can see it's dropping every now and then, maybe because I'm not holding it a lot steadier as I should. But as you can see, okay. Okay, there you go. So it's not really constant. It's dropping below 18 volts every now and then. It's fluctuating and so on. Well, it should be 20 volts, but most chargers don't come in that, you know. But the fact that it's swirling, so I will have to contact the seller for this charger. Like I said, it's a generic charger, so let me get it. Let me plug it out and show you what charger it is. And okay, so as it stated, I did look on the back of this laptop on it. This says also 20 volts, 2.25 amps. So it's a possibility that this is not drawing enough amps or giving enough voltage as well. So it's a possibility that might be the issue. So I can't know for sure until I get either a replacement or I borrow a charger from someone to actually prove that this laptop is working. So I'll do a follow-up video in that regards. And thanks for watching, and I hope you are all safe due to this pandemic, and the cases are rising here in Jamaica. And thanks for watching. So if you like the video, I would suggest give it a thumbs up. You don't have to, but it would, you know, I would greatly appreciate it. And Chronology Technology, and I am out. Thank you.